Hi guys, this is Genesis with Sozo Education and Beauty Supply. And I wanted to introduce to you my final formula, hopefully, kind of, sort of, maybe, for my toilet refreshers. These are designed to go into your toilet after you go to the bathroom and flush. You would put one of these in there and it will continue to foamy and smell good until the next time that you go to the bathroom and flush the toilet again. They take approximately 6 minutes before the foam completely will die down. However, during the time that they're in there, they're going to help aid in keeping your toilet clean for the long term, because any particles that would be left behind are starting to get neutralized by all of the cleaning ingredients that are in this product. I wanted to show you the difference between toilets just in case you have a different style than mine. You would have a better idea of what to expect. So this first one is kind of like your smaller standard size toilet, whereas the next demo that I'm going to show you is a more longer oval style of toilet. Either way, it works the exact same. Even if you had a lower flow toilet, it's still going to do its job just fine and have you mesmerized if you should continue to sit there and actually watch it foam the whole entire time. The size is approximately 2 inches by 2 inches and 3/4 of an inch high. It will come in 3 different pre-made scents, but you can always custom order whatever fragrance and color you prefer. The first one is Blue Agave, and that will be tinted in teal. The second is Black Raspberry Vanilla. That one will have a very light magenta. And the third is Lemon, which will be white because no one wants a yellow toilet. They are also septic tank safe as they don't contain any harsh chemicals. If you think that this is a product that could help you on a daily basis, please head over to the website where you could get this and several other custom-made products. Have a great day.